Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting episode of Creative Crafting. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own candles right at home. It's easier than you might think and incredibly rewarding. Whether you want to create a cozy atmosphere, gift something handmade, or just try a new hobby, making candles is a super fun and satisfying project. Plus, it's a great way to personalize your space with your favorite scents and colors. First things first, let's talk about the different types of candles you can make. There are so many options to choose from. Scented candles are perfect for adding a pleasant aroma to any room. Imagine walking into a room filled with the soothing scent of lavender or the invigorating aroma of citrus. Decorative candles can be molded into all sorts of shapes and designs for a unique look. You can get really creative with this and make candles that are true works of art. And then there are the classic pillar and tea light candles, which are great for everyday use. They're simple, elegant, and versatile. All right, let's get started. For this DIY project, you'll need some basic supplies: wax, wicks, a double boiler, a thermometer, fragrance oils for scented candles, and some molds or containers. You can find these supplies at your local craft store or online. Step 1. Start by melting your wax in a double boiler. This method ensures that the wax melts evenly and prevents it from burning. You want to do this slowly and steadily, keeping an eye on the temperature. Patience is key here. Aim for around 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the ideal temperature range for most candle waxes. Be careful not to overheat it. Overheating can cause the wax to become too thin and affect the quality of your candles. While the wax is melting, prep your molds or containers. This is a good time to get everything ready so you can work quickly once the wax is melted. Place the wick in the center and secure it with a little bit of hot glue or a wick holder. This ensures that the wick stays in place when you pour in the wax. Once your wax is melted, it's time to add color and scents if you're going for a scented or colored candle. This is where you can really customize your candles. Add a few drops of fragrance oil and stir gently. You can mix different oils to create your own unique scent blends. For color, you can use special candle dyes. These come in a variety of shades, so you can get creative with your color combinations. Mix until everything is evenly distributed. Make sure the color and scent are well blended into the wax. Now carefully pour the melted wax into your prepared molds or containers. Take your time to avoid spills and ensure an even pour. Leave a bit of space at the top. This allows for any additional wax you might need to add later. If you see any air bubbles, don't worry. They'll usually rise to the surface and pop on their own. You can also gently tap the mold to help release any trapped air. Let the candles cool slowly at room temperature. This helps them set properly and ensures a smooth finish. This can take a few hours, so be patient. It's worth the wait to get beautifully finished candles. As the candles cool, they might sink a bit in the middle. This is normal and easy to fix. If that happens, just reheat some leftover wax and top them off. This will give your candles a nice, even surface. Once completely cooled, trim the wicks to about 1/4 inch. This helps the candles burn evenly and safely. And there you have it, your very own homemade candles, ready to light up your home or give as thoughtful gifts. Your very own homemade candles. Each one is unique and made with love. Experiment with different scents and colors to create your own signature candles. The possibilities are endless. They make great gifts, and you'll enjoy the cozy atmosphere they bring to your home. There's nothing quite like the warm glow of a candle you made yourself. So give it a try. You might discover a new favorite hobby. Making your own candles is not only rewarding, but also a great way to unwind and get creative. It's a perfect activity for a relaxing weekend. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome DIY projects. Happy candle making, enjoy the process and the beautiful results.